Hey everyone, Hannah from Sheet Leveler here, and today I'm going to show you a super simple trick to convert times into decimal values in Excel. If you've ever needed to calculate work hours, project durations, or any time-based data in decimals, this is the tutorial for you. But before we dive in, one quick note. This method only works if you've entered your times correctly in Excel. That means using a colon to separate hours, minutes, and seconds. If you haven't, Excel might not recognize your values as actual times, so be sure to check that first. Alright, let's get started. Before we start converting, it helps to understand how Excel sees time. In Excel, a full 24-hour day is equal to 1. That means checkmark 12 hours equals 0.5, half a day. Checkmark 18 hours equals 1, 0.75, 3/4 of a day. Checkmark 6 hours equals 0.25, a quarter of a day. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, let me show you how to actually see this in Excel. Select a cell with a time value in it. Change the formatting from Time to General, found in the Home tab. Now, instead of a time, you'll see a decimal. Cool, right? Now that we know Excel treats one as 24 hours, the conversion is actually super easy. To convert time into decimal hours, all you need to do is multiply the time by 24. Let's try it. Select a new column where you want the decimal values to appear. Enter this formula. Type an equals sign, then select cell A2, followed by an asterisk for multiplication, and then type 24. Press Enter, but wait. It might still look like a time. That's because Excel is still formatting it as time. To fix that, change the format to General. And now you have the decimal equivalent. And that's it. Now every time value you multiply by 24 will instantly convert to decimals. So easy, right? Step 3. Works for 12-hour and 24-hour formats. This method works whether you've entered your time in 12-hour or 24-hour format. But if you're using AM/PM notation, be sure to leave a space between the minutes, seconds, and the AM/PM. Otherwise, Excel might misinterpret your entry. For example, 2:30 space PM, correct. 2:30. No space PM, incorrect. 2:30 PM, correct. 2:30 PM, incorrect. Just a little thing to watch out for. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to convert time to decimals in Excel without any confusion. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Excel tricks to make your life easier. Comment below if you have any Excel questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.